This is going to be a practical list of all the car accessories that may actually improve your driving experience. NEXTBASE 622 GW Dash Camera. There's nothing more annoying than trying to explain to the insurance company that the accident wasn't your fault, no matter what kind of tangled web of lies the third party is trying to weave. Well, now, the proof is in the camera. Recording in 4K quality, the smart Dashcam allows you to record and easily transfer footage from the device to your phone or home PC. It uses a magnetic pad to secure itself to the dashboard, and it tracks your GPS and speed to ensure everything's fair and square whenever you happen to have an accident. DIVI USB Car Charger. The DIVI USB charger is one of the most compact car chargers on the market, with a slimline design which sits almost flush with the edge of the outlet. It'll allow you to simultaneously charge two devices at full speed, with 2.4 amps in each USB port. The aluminum case looks more premium than the plastic options on the market, and the scratch-resistant technology keeps it looking new. The DIVI charger has a number of safety guarantees and comes with a 12-month manufacturer warranty. FIREFLY Bluetooth Receiver. Add Bluetooth to your car audio systems with FIREFLY, the world's tiniest music receiver. FIREFLY allows you to stream music from your smartphone to any device with an aux input. Just plug FIREFLY into your audio system with the USB power source and pair it with your smartphone. Once paired, FIREFLY will remember your device and auto-connect whenever you're close by. LDESIGN Wireless Bluetooth FM Transmitter. When the radio jingle literally makes you want to blow a gasket, hook up your phone with this transmitter and play your own tunes through your car stereo. With an inbuilt microphone, echo cancellation, and noise suppression, this transmitter handily doubles as a hands-free call device and triples as a charger. Plugging right into your cigarette lighter socket, the transmitter is easy to use and, according to the people who've already bought it, provides oodles of performance qualities too. AUTOGLYM, the collection. Perfect bodywork, wheels, and interior. If you've just got a new car, or you're looking to update your old car, you'd be surprised how effectively a thorough clean is. If you're looking for a total clean, you can't go wrong with AUTOGLYM's bodywork, wheels, and interior collection. The kit contains everything you need to get your car sparkling again, including bodywork shampoo, super resin polish, extra gloss protection, clean wheels, instant tire dressing, alloy wheel seal, interior shampoo, car glass polish, vinyl and rubber care, a sponge, high-tech finishing cloth, and finally, an aqua dry cloth. AA Car Essentials Emergency Winter Car Kit. The AA Emergency Winter Car Kit is essential if you want to be prepared for winter conditions and comes in handy as a storage bag to stow easily in the boot of your car. The folding shovel is compact but strong enough to tackle thick snow and the snow and ice grips that ensure you remain sturdy on your feet in winter conditions. The high-vis jacket ensures other motorists can see you, and a handy torch to help you see and be seen on those cold, dark nights. Also included is a foil blanket to keep in body heat should you need to wait for a breakdown rescue. The kit also includes a rain poncho, plus a set of fully insulated booster cables in case of emergencies. Chris Digital Assistant. Chris is a digital assistant, like Amazon's Alexa, for drivers. The smart hardware supports you like a real co-driver, giving you directions, reading messages, controlling music, and accepting calls. Chris is attached to the windscreen, like a sat-nav, and paired with a mobile phone via Bluetooth. And best of all, Chris also works offline without any internet connection. Maxsa Innovations Escaper Buddy. The Escaper Buddy's raised tracks give you maximum traction to get out of any tough spot. Driving hazards like snow, ice, sand, and mud are no match when you place these traction mats under your vehicle's wheels. You get two, one for each front or rear wheel. Press lightly on the accelerator when you're going again. No towing, chains, winching, or pushing required. Place the Escaper Buddies under the front wheels of the front-wheel drive or rear wheels of the rear-wheel drive car. AISIBO Mini Auto Car Garbage Can. The plastic cover can be removed, mini trash can with premium quality material to provide maximum strength, durability, and longevity. Easy to clean. If you accidentally throw liquid or chewing gum in your car trash can, just remove the lid and rinse with water. The trash bins make use of the car's little space artfully. It takes up minimal amounts of space, yet creates you full garbage capacity. Car garbage bins can keep your car clean and tidy, also protect for the road environment. ThisWorx Portable Car Vacuum Cleaner. Keeping things spick and span on a road trip is no easy job, but a portable vacuum like ThisWorx can do wonders for the cleanliness of your vehicle. Lightweight, compact, and easy to use, this handheld device plugs into your 12-volt outlet and can pick up both wet and dry debris. Designed especially for the interior of your automobile, it comes with an extension tube for hard-to-reach corners, as well as a brush head for carpets and upholstery. Handpresso Auto Hybrid Coffee Maker. The internet is full of interesting accessories for coffee lovers on the go, but when it comes to road trips, few of them can compete with the Handpresso Auto. Designed for car use, this coffee maker plugs into the cigarette lighter, delivering a perfect barista-quality espresso in just 2 minutes. The product is compact enough to fit into the cup holder and works with both ESE pods and ground coffee. Nonda ZUS Smart Tire Safety Monitor. With ZUS, Nonda's latest in-car gadget, you can track the tire pressure in real time from your mobile phone. The Smart Tire Safety Monitor detects slow leaks before it's too late, thanks to its innovative AccuTemp algorithm. It also comes with an anti-theft locking system and a built-in USB port for charging other devices. Mirror Dash Camera. Feeling safe at all times is essential to your experience on the road, which is why a dash cam is one of the best car gadgets you can buy. In addition to capturing fun videos of you and your friends on a road trip, they can be decisive in the event of an accident, being capable to provide evidence to law enforcement and insurance companies. With Mirror Dash Camera, you get both front view and rear view footage in a small package that's easy to install and use. The system includes a front-facing 1080p camera with 138-degree wide-angle lens and rear-view 720p camera, and comes with a 4.3-inch touchscreen that attaches over your current rear-view mirrors so you can check what's happening around you in traffic. Sunglasses Visor Clip. If your car doesn't come equipped with a built-in sun visor glasses holder, it may be worth the cost to add one yourself. Wrapped in leather and equipped with a built-in sponge, the Dual Shine Car Visor Sunglasses Holder does an excellent job in keeping your sunglasses/eyeglasses scratch-free, within reach, and safely stored on the road. Its elegant, minimalist design and one-handed maneuverability will delight even the most discriminating car owner.